This video is for Airtronic's Air Conditioning Corporation. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. Just you want to make sure on your homepage you have more than 1500 words, because Google like content, and as I see here it's not enough content. And then you want to have correct keywords, and your pictures need to be saved in the right way also. So if you check here, see it only says IMG3, so it's, if here except of this will be like right keyword, it will be help you out also. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if you come here, we can see these ads, Google guaranteed. Then we see normal ads that we used to see already, but in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so some people see it, some not. And here we see the map pack. So what is a citation? It's essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listing and then seeing what they are currently being listed in. And you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop on whatever they have. You want to put a little bit more so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. The last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. If you go here, you can see Yelp, you can see expertise, you can see home advisors. So this is all companies here, the big national companies that all taking up the top of the page. And the way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop, but that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 8 referring domains that gives you 14 backlinks, and you are getting found for 77 keywords, and out those keywords you have 6 people on average on your site each month. So just to have a picture, I want to show you one of your competitors here. So see they have 716 referring domains that give them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they getting found for 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. To boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it what I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, will be awesome. And thanks again, and you have a great day.